All right, we're going to be painting now Jim's carving, and I've got my paints, I've got my water, and I've got my carving. I'm going to start off with a little burnt umber for my shoes and for my hat on this piece. And as you know, always mix my paints are very we just kind of mix up. I mix my paints very thin. Now I can use the bigger brush when I get up here because I'm not going too close to the head or the eyes. All right. And I'm also going to use the burnt umber for the shoes. Alright, there you go. So I've used the burnt umber. Now you don't have to necessarily go by this chart here. You can use whatever you want. Just a little darker here. Okay, let me get me some paper towels just for a second. All right. Okay. Now, I thought for the coveralls we would choose a blue, and let me see, I don't have the blue that I want here, so is this it? No, this is not it. I have the blue in my other thing, so I tell you what we're going to do. We'll go ahead and paint the shirt. We'll go ahead and paint the shirt, and then I'll go and get the blue that I want. In other words, I don't know why I don't have that blue. I usually keep it in here, but I have two boxes of paints that I use. Okay, that's fine. We're going to use the, I'm going to go ahead and use the red oxide for the shirt itself. Just mixing that red here. Why my paint's running here. This thing must be kind of leaning a little bit or something for the paint to, I don't know why it's doing that. Let me see here. Let me take, there we go. Let me take this and put it over here. It's too much weight on the end and it's causing the paint to run off. Okay. We'll solve that a little bit. Yeah, some reason it was causing the paint to run off toward my end over here. Okay, let me see what I'm doing here. I don't know why. It's just I'm gonna have to put something underneath there. I don't usually have trouble with this, but maybe the table is just painting this area with the red oxide. That is the shirt. Okay. All right, now I've got a real light area in here. This is in between the, it's got to be red, and I get my smaller brush, of course, and I'll work it in here, get it in there. Okay. There you go. There you are. Okay. Let me go get my blue. The blue that I wanted. I don't know why I don't have. It's in my other box, in other words. But let me go get that, and then we'll continue with it. Okay. Okay.